Hi interviewers, I'm Jess. I noticed that your company is currently looking for the position of Business Marketing Specialist. I just graduated with Bachelor degree in Marketing from ABC University. I can speak fluent in Chinese and English, and I have got Band 5 for my Muay exam. During my university life, I've taken part in a lot of activities and events. For example, charity dinner, graduation dinner, charity bazaar, and marathon in collaboration with state government. I was in charge of designing posters, creating marketing strategies, copywriting, as well as liaising with sponsors. From these events that I have taken part, I noticed that I'm interested in copywriting and designing. Therefore, I went to ABC company to apply the position as online marketer for my internship program. I've learned a lot of things from this company. The job scope I was in this company was designing posters and to manage their social media account. The softwares that I use are Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator. Fortunately enough, I'm able to help the company to increase 20% for their followers in their Facebook page and Instagram page. I noticed that marketing could be a very challenging job. However, I really enjoy the sense of achievement. Therefore, I have made up my mind to pursue my career in this industry. I really hope to have a chance of interview in your company. I noticed that your company is currently looking for the position of Business Marketing Specialist, and the job scope is to liaise with overseas buyers and to create marketing strategies. These are the sectors that I feel I'm familiar with, and I think I could handle it well with my current skill sets. Here are the certificates and also the letter of recommendation from my previous companies. I really hope to have a face-to-face interview session with your company. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon in the interview session. Hi everyone! Today's video is to demonstrate you how a video resume looks like. A video resume is basically turning the details of your resume into a short video. The advantage of making a video resume is to help you stand out among other candidates, especially HR and employers always have the dilemma in choosing the right candidates. So in our next episode, we are going to share with you how to write the script for your video resume. Keep an eye for our upcoming video, and we are going to see you next Monday at 7 p.m.